When it comes to revolvers, most people think of rugged power and reliability. But 2025 has shown us a new standard of precision. Forget the old saying of spray and pray, because these wheel guns are built for one-shot accuracy that hunters, collectors, and serious shooters all value. In today's countdown, we are looking at the 7 most accurate revolvers available this year, ranked from solid performers to absolute legends of precision. If you are new to Alpha Gun Review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our deep dive into the best firearms in the world. Now, let's begin our list with number 7. At number 7, we have the Ruger Gpone 100, a revolver that represents robust American engineering at a price that remains approachable. Chambered in the versatile 357 Magnum and also capable of firing 38 special loads, the Gpone 100 offers shooters 6 rounds of power and control. The secret to its accuracy lies in Ruger's triple locking cylinder system, which secures the cylinder at 3 distinct points to ensure perfect alignment for every shot. It uses a cold hammer forged barrel with ultra-precise rifling, giving this revolver remarkable downrange performance. With a 4.20-inch barrel, a weight of 40 ounces, and a grip frame that accepts a wide variety of custom grips, it balances recoil control with handling comfort. Adjustable sights make zeroing straightforward, while the transfer bar safety provides confidence without affecting precision. Whether for range shooting or hunting medium game, the Gpone 100 provides consistent accuracy and durability. At around $800, it is one of the best value options in the precision revolver market, making it an excellent entry point into serious wheel guns. Stepping up to number 6 is the Colt King Cobra, a revolver that brings back a classic Colt name but reimagined for modern shooters. Chambered in 357 Magnum with a 6-shot cylinder, this revolver is built for serious accuracy. It comes with a 4.25-inch barrel, fully adjustable rear sights, and a bright fiber optic front sight that ensures visibility in any lighting condition. The King Cobra stands out with its crisp single-action trigger brake, which competitive shooters appreciate for its clean release. The frame uses updated metallurgy while still honoring the traditional Colt lines that have defined American revolvers for decades. The medallion grips offer both comfort and a touch of heritage, while the double-action trigger provides versatility for different shooting scenarios. With smooth cylinder rotation and tight barrel-to-frame alignment, this revolver delivers consistent shot placement with the 357 Magnum loads that carry real stopping power. At a price of about $1,150, the Colt King Cobra positions itself as a premium revolver for shooters who value both tradition and precision. Coming in at number 5 is the Smith & Wesson Model 686 part of the famous L-frame series that has been a trusted companion for law enforcement officers and hunters worldwide. Built specifically to withstand constant Magnum loads, the 686 is a powerhouse of both durability and accuracy. Chambered in 357 Magnum with a 6-round capacity, it is designed with extra steel in critical stress points, giving it the strength to handle thousands of full-power rounds. The 4.13-inch barrel delivers excellent velocity while keeping overall length manageable, and its stainless steel construction ensures corrosion resistance even in harsh conditions. At just over 40 ounces, the revolver has the weight needed to tame recoil while still being comfortable for extended shooting sessions. Equipped with a red ramp front sight and an adjustable rear sight, it allows for precise aiming at different ranges. The single-action trigger mode offers the crisp release needed for accuracy, while double-action operation provides reliability in defensive scenarios. priced at around $900. The 686 is a strong value for shooters who want proven performance combined with accuracy that does not fade over time. At number 4, we cross into German engineering excellence with the Colt Combat Revolver. Known for unmatched craftsmanship, the Colt is often compared to a Swiss watch in terms of tolerance and precision. Chambered in .44 Magnum with 6 rounds, it handles some of the most powerful factory loads with absolute control. The cold, forged precision barrel delivers bore consistency from chamber to muzzle, while a DLC coating reduces friction and adds durability. Its micrometer adjustable rear sight and quick change front sight allow fast adaptation to different shooting conditions. Weighing 2.69 pounds and paired with a 4-inch barrel, the Colt Combat has remarkable balance while keeping muzzle rise nearly non-existent. A mainspring adjustment system allows fine-tuning of the trigger, and the Jim Wilson grip ensures steady hand placement. The result is a revolver capable of delivering sub-inch groups at range, making it a favorite among competitive marksmen and collectors alike. This level of engineering excellence comes with a steep price tag, around $3,900. But for those who demand perfection in accuracy, the Colt Combat is hard to rival. Moving into number 3, we see the legendary Colt Python, a revolver that has held near mythical status among shooters for decades. The modern Python carries all of the legacy features while improving them with updated materials and manufacturing processes. Chambered in .357 Magnum with a 6-round capacity, this revolver features a 3-inch barrel version that offers a compact profile without sacrificing accuracy. Built from stainless steel, it provides exceptional durability and corrosion resistance compared to earlier models. The redesigned rear sight is 30% stronger, keeping zero locked in even with heavy use, while the recessed target crown protects the rifling for consistent bullet release. The interchangeable front sight allows shooters to customize for different lighting conditions. Walnut grips with Colt's iconic medallion provide both comfort and unmistakable style. The double-action pull is smooth, while the single-action break is crisp, making it one of the most accurate revolvers available. Priced around $1,700, the Colt Python is not just a revolver, but a piece of firearms history reborn for a new generation. At number 2, we find the French-made Manurhin MR73, widely regarded as one of the finest revolvers ever built. Developed for the French gendarmerie and elite counter-terrorism units, the MR73 is designed to withstand extreme use. Chambered in .357 Magnum, it survived testing of tens of thousands of rounds of full-power ammunition without losing its precision. With a 4-inch barrel and a total length of 9.17 inches, it points naturally and maintains excellent balance. At 34 ounces, it offers the right distribution of weight to manage recoil effectively. The trigger system is renowned for its smooth and consistent double-action pull, while the single-action brake is clean and predictable. Each MR73 is individually tested before leaving the factory, ensuring standards that few revolvers can match. With 6 rounds of the 357 Magnum power and the ability to use .38 special for lighter loads, it offers versatility as well as elite-level accuracy. Available through Beretta's premium distribution, the MR73 comes at a premium price of about $3,500, reflecting its status as a professional-grade instrument rather than a casual shooter's revolver. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ruger Super Redhawk, a revolver that combines sheer power with astonishing precision. Chambered in the mighty .44 Magnum with the ability to also use .44 special rounds, This revolver is designed for hunters and long-range shooters who demand maximum stopping power with accuracy to match. It features an extended frame with reinforced steel in key stress points, making it capable of handling the heaviest big game loads. The triple locking cylinder ensures perfect alignment shot after shot, while the cold hammer forged barrel provides ultra-precise rifling for long-term consistency. With a massive 7.50-inch barrel and a weight of 53 ounces, the Super Redhawk delivers superior velocity, stability, and recoil absorption. The Hogue Tamer monogrip reduces felt recoil, allowing shooters to stay accurate even during extended sessions with Magnum ammunition. Integrated scope mounts machined directly into the frame eliminate alignment issues common with detachable mounts, making it an ideal choice for scoped hunting applications. Priced at around $1,200, the Ruger Super Redhawk offers professional-grade accuracy and unmatched stopping power at a cost that is far less than custom revolvers, cementing its place at the top of our list. These 7 revolvers represent the finest examples of accuracy in 2025 each, bringing unique qualities to the table. From affordable entry-level precision with the Gpone 100 to the professional hunting power of the Super Redhawk, there is a revolver here for every serious shooter. Which one would you choose to add to your collection or take on your next hunt? Let us know in the comments below. And do not forget to like this video, subscribe to Alpha Gun Review, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Until next time, keep your shots steady and your aim true.